Binance, the fee is 0.02% maker and 0.04% taker. $1 million trade costs $200 fee and $500 fee. Reduced by 20% if you use this code. Up under my link, it's only $160 and $400 fee. It'll confirm you're using the referral code for 20% fee rebate. That's 20% back. I'll introduce crypto exchanges with lowest fees and real cash rebates. Back. Summarizes what I found about getting actual cash back. Pay $100 in fees, you'll get back $40 in real money. Rebate is possible because I'm a partner with these exchanges. To refund your fees. Binance's fee structure is fee is 0.1 and future fee is 0.02-0.05. $1 million, the fee loss would be 0.2%, which is $200. $1 million in trading fees would cost you $500. So normally you'll pay these fees. My referral link or code, you'll get a 40% daily rebate on fees. On $100 in fees, you'd get $40 back. Support fees are only 0.06%, futures 0.012-0.03%. An example, you'd pay $120 instead of $200, saving $80 in real money. 0.03% futures, you'd pay $300 but get $200 back. Shows the registration page mentioning the 40% fee rebate. The link to show you. See 40% fee rebate right here. This code, you can get a 40% fee refund if you use this code or click the registration link. 40% fee refund. The KuCoin exchange is similar. $200 and $600 if trading $1 million volume. Just via my link, you'll get 35% back, so it's only $130 and $390. Registration link, it will show 35% fee refund. Use code 50 when registering. For Binance, its futures fees are 0.02% maker, 0.05% taker. Trade costs $200 and $500 fees with 20% refund, okay? This code or click to register. Registering via my link, it's only $160 and $400. Registered, it'll also tell you that using this referral code gets you 20% fee refund, 20% commission. Also refunds 20% of trading fees. Fee of the exchange of 0.02 and 0.05 milligrams and tick 200 articles 500 after using the registration below on me with this 50 refund code is only $160 and $400. Picture here and there, MSC, this 0.1 loss is 0%, this 0.02 200. is also 20% off when using MSC brick code horizontal 20 cat here, or click this link maker. $60. Here is a picture here. When using Use Your Cheeks, it will appear that you will be refunded like that. If you fly a bit, it will be refunded monthly, guys. Auto refund by month. This will be refunded only 10%. Then you have summarized this, and to sum up which platform you trade, you register to use using that floor. I see that this Pink's floor is the one where the interface uses is very easy to use and also has a refund policy of this highest 40% easy to use interface here. Here is this formula. If you want to calculate, you will get the trading volume. If, for example, is 1 million volume, and multiply by this fee, multiplied by this fee, and it will come out. You have to pay. Then link to this article I will also leave below the video description and comments of this video for you. You can click to watch. Then the video of I'm here. If you find this video good and useful, then remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with many people. Let's go to this refund service.